Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a lazy day makeup look. The reason I'm going to be filming this is because winter is coming up. It's getting cold outside and people are getting lazy. Like, I feel as waking up in the morning to do a full face of makeup is just not the movement anymore, period. Like, it's cold and I just want to chill now, you know? So I felt as it was a necessity for me to come and show you guys what you should do or what you can do in the morning, so, or you know, anytime. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get to the video. Yes, I did my eyebrows already, and if you would like to know how I do my eyebrows, there's a video on my channel that details out step by step how to do them. So since this is a lazy makeup day or whatever, or tutorial, lazy tutorial, we're not gonna use a full face of foundation. I don't know if you see these black spots, but instead of me using a full face of foundation, I'm just going to put foundation on the black spots, you know, because today I'm lazy, period. So the foundation that I'm going to be using today, the box is very toe up, but it is this. Don't look at my nail, by the way. Ooh. Okay, yeah, it don't even want to focus. But this is what the bottle look like, and it's called the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I also use my other foundation, which is Match Master by MAC, and I am 7.5, and in my Clinique, just in case y'all want to know, I am 24 Golden. Me personally, I mix these two together because it gives me the best outcome. So I put it on the back of my hand. 2 swabs. Now I'm going to take this and I'm just gonna mix it together and create my little color. And the reason why I mix these two together is because the lighter one that I showed you, which is by Clinique, is my summer. No, it's actually my winter color, but it's too light for me now. Like, oh, I just lost something. But it's too light for me now. So like, I've actually gotten darker. So I mix these two and it comes out right, you know? Okay, so boom, to start off, I'm going to be using my Lux Pro powder in Banana, and it looks like this. Wherever I am putting my foundation, I still take my banana powder just like this and put it on the spots where, because I have really oily skin, so, well, I have a mixture of oily and dry, so I don't want it to look oily. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna beat it in basically, like I'm using, like this is foundation. And I'm going to take my little brush and I'm going to put wherever I want to put it all over my face. And mind you, I'm not putting it in too like many spots because I don't want to have a full face. When I use a wet beauty blender, it causes me to like have sinus problems. Like I start getting sick. Like, I can feel myself getting sick and I don't know why, but I guess it opens up my pores and that's not good. So I just use a dry one now. I might wet it sometimes, like with some what everyone call this, setting spray, but majority of the time I don't. And guys, I just want to say, like, I'm sorry for not uploading. Like, I've been getting a lot of DMs from people telling me that I need to upload because I haven't, and I want to thank y'all for that, because I just have a busy schedule. Like, between work and school, it gets busy, you know. So I try to add, just, it should already be in my schedule, but I try to make my little YouTube videos. But the crazy thing is, like, I have YouTube videos, but they're just not edited right now. Like, I have to edit them. I'm going to take my MAC powder. I got this from MAC, and it is in dark deep, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my little brush. I forgot where I got this brush from. Like, I've had it for years. I'm gonna take it on my little brush, and just a little bit, just to set the little stuff. I'm going to take my 2 mascaras that I use always. This one is by Ice. It's a cheap mascara that I got from the beauty supply store, you know, me on a budget, period. Then I'm going to take my other mascara is in extreme. I always say extreme, like what? Dimension Lash. This one is by MAC. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so yeah, and that completes my lazy day makeup look. Okay, so guys, that completes my lazy day makeup look. When it is cold, y'all, it's cold, it's raining, and I want to be basic, but I want to look kind of decent, you know what I'm saying? I just do this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Please like this video for more videos like this one. And yeah, thumbs up this video for real though, for this look I did on myself, you know. I did a little sleek back, added some hair, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to know how I did this look, please give this video a thumbs up. I know for a fact I've been slacking, like dead serious. Like, I've been slacking on all my videos, so you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.